Welcome to Jamaica Citizens Guide. In this video, I'll show you how to register under the National Insurance Scheme in Jamaica and obtain your National Insurance Scheme (NIS) number. The National Insurance Scheme was established in 1966 under the National Insurance Act and is administered by the Ministry of Labour and Social Security. The scheme offers some financial protection to a worker against loss of income arising from injury on the job, sickness, retirement, and/or death of the breadwinner. Registration for your NIS number is free and the number does not expire. Requirements. To apply for your NIS number, here are the requirements. Must be at least age 18. Birth certificate or passport to show proof of birth date. Taxpayer registration number (TRN). Valid photo ID, which may be your passport, driver license, or voter ID. Proof of name change if you have had a change to your name due to marriage or deed poll. The application process. There are two registration forms: individual registration form and employer business registration form. However, in this video, we are looking solely at the individual registration. Pick up an application form at the nearest location of the Ministry of Labour and Social Security office, or download the application form online at mlss.gov.jm. Fill out the application form in capital letters using a black or blue ink pen. The application form will require, among other things, your name, mailing address, taxpayer registration number, names of your father and mother, and information on your employer if you are currently employed. If you are unable to submit the application by yourself, you can send someone to act on your behalf. The representative must carry an authorization letter from you. After you have filled out the application form, hand it in to the official at the office along with the required documents such as birth certificate, ID. The NIS official will check the application and enter your details into the system for processing. The application will be processed and you will be given your National Insurance Registration Card, which contains your name and NIS number. The card is issued within the same day. Please note that simply having an NIS number does not qualify you for benefits. In order to receive benefits under the National Insurance Scheme, you must first contribute to the scheme as an employee, employer, or self-employed person.